Difference between ISO, MDS and bin/Q disk image formats. What is the difference between these major disk image formats? Are there any specific advantages/disadvantages for any of them?
ISO is like international standard, as the name itself suggests, for storing disk images and supported by most image burning or extracting software. This format is typically good for data files of video content. This format isn't good with audio CDs, and is not even supported by image burning softwares. bin/Q format was specifically developed to overcome the audio CDs archiving problem with ISO. In general, this format can be used for the same content that ISO supports and has no drawbacks. MDS is typically used for copy-protected DVDs. ISO or bin/Q does not have the feature of storing copy protection information within the image file. This file usually contains information about the position of layer break bits that helps in recreating exact same copy of any copy-protected DVD. To summarize, ISO is good for storing files or data or video that isn't copy-protected and is supported by almost every imaging software. bin/Q is good for copying audio CDs. And MDS is good for making copies of copy-protected DVDs. Hope this helps.
A few corrections to the above answer. First of all, this format, bin/Q, can be used for the same content that ISO supports and has no drawbacks. This is not entirely true. ISO is a rather simple disk image format, while bin/Q is a raw copy of a disk, sector by sector, including copy protection, error correction, track list, multi-track, and any system-specific information on the disk. It is for this reason that many old-timers rightly consider bin/Q to be the most pure copy of a disk. On the other hand, ISO only keeps the files and folders on the disk and loses much of the other information. Hope that helps.
ISO keeps more than just files and folds. A bootable CD is still bootable if it has been copied to a ISO file and then burned again on CD, or used to install operating system in VMware, etc. If you just copy files and folders from a bootable CD to another CD, the new CD will not boot.